Here's a monkey that sits like this. This 9-year-old boy from Cambodia knows how to speak 12 different languages.
Señorita guapa, muy bonito, muy barato, candora mucho bello, compre uno iman 5 por $2. ไม่แพงโถครับดิฉันน้องอันนึงพี่สวยแม่มีสันตังไปโรงเรียนวันนี้องลิมาเย็ดมาดังองผู้องโดลาสิว้า
Who teach you all this?
I learn from tourists.
Tourists? Oh.
Philippines I can speak also.
Here's some incredible hand-fighting choreography that probably deserves its own movie.
You are better than I remember. But still predictable. Predict this.
You ever get that feeling like someone's looking at you? Here's some incredible sand art. This family bought a school bus and then turned it into their home. This is what it's like to go snowboarding in Finland. Here's a flower field in Armenia. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.